Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Wagi ang rain or shine Elasto Painters kontra sa Terra Firma Jeep 116-105. Top performer si Andre Caracot sa likod ng kanyang 13 points, 1 rebound, 4 assists. Nagtala naman ng 16 points, 19 rebounds si Demetrius Treadwell. Clarito 16 points, 5 rebounds. Santillan 16 points, 4 rebounds. Belga 18 points, 4 rebounds, 2 assists. Para naman sa Terra Firma Jeep, Wami Chungson 19.6 assists. Ditay 31 points, 14 rebounds. Alolino 16 points, 3 assists. Carreño 15 points, 4 rebounds. Ramos 7 points, 3 rebounds. Panalo naman ang Magnolia Hotshots kontra sa Converge Fiber Sixers 88-80. Top performer si Gio Halalon sa kanyang 16 points, 10 rebounds, 5 assists. Tyler Bay 27 points, 13 rebounds. Lapot 10 points, 7 rebounds. Eriobot 7 points, 2 rebounds. Abueva 6.7 rebounds, 2 steals. Para naman sa Converge Fiber Sixers, Alex Stockton 16 points, 2 rebounds. Wilson 19 points, 10 rebounds, 3 assists. Milicio 13 points, 4 rebounds, 4 assists. Aranya 12 points, 4 rebounds. Brian Santos 11.6 rebounds. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang PBA Game Recap Result. December 22, 2023, panalo naman ang Inlex Road Warriors kontra sa Blackwater Bossing 104-97. Top performer si Robert Bulik sa kanyang 30 points, 8 rebounds, 15 assists. Nag-ambag naman ng 20 points, 13 rebounds, 4 assists si Chaffee. John Normal 16 points, 4 rebounds. Ganuelas Rosar 12 points, 4 rebounds. Enoch Valdez 11 points, 3 rebounds. Para naman sa Blackwater Bossing, Christian David 17 points, 7 rebounds, 2 blocks. Ortiz 27.7 assists. RK Ilagan 16.7 rebounds, 5 assists, 3 steals. De Gregorio 12 points, 3 rebounds. Ray Suerte 7 points, 2 assists. Wagi naman ang Barangay Hinebra kontra sa Meralco Bolts 110-96. Top performer si Maverick Anmisi sa likod ng kanyang 25 points, 3 rebounds, 3 assists. Nagtala naman ng 21 points, 7 rebounds, 7 assists si Scottie Thompson. Stan Hardenger 21 points, 12 rebounds, 7 assists. Malonzo 17.6 rebounds, 3 assists. Tony Bishop 12 points, 13 rebounds. Para naman sa Meralco Bolts, Clifford Hodge 17 points, 8 rebounds, 4 assists. Lofton 23 points, 7 rebounds, 7 assists. Aaron Black 14 points, 5 rebounds. Maliksi 10 points, 2 steals. Bong Quinto 10 points, 5 rebounds, 2 assists. December 20, 2023, tinalo ng Phoenix Fuel Masters ang Northport Batang Pair 113-104. Top performer si Quinto Fin sa kanyang 15 points, 3 rebounds, 3 assists. Williams 38 points, 19 rebounds, 9 assists. Tyler Tio 14 points, 3 rebounds. Moyang 10.6 rebounds. Reze Rivero 8 points, 3 assists. Para naman sa Northport Batang Pair, Arvin Tolentino 19 points, 8 rebounds, 4 assists. Joyce 27 points, 15 rebounds, 5 assists. Monson 13 points, 3 rebounds. Flores 12 points, 3 rebounds, 3 assists. Calma 11.6 rebounds. Pinataob naman ng Magnolia Hotshots ang Terra Firma Jeep 104-91. Top performer si Ayan Sanggalang sa kanyang 18 points, 9 rebounds, 1 steal. Tyler Bay 25 points, 12 rebounds, 7 assists. Pole 16.7 assists. Halalon 13 points, 5 rebounds, 6 assists. Para naman sa Terra Firma Jeep, Wami Chungson 17 points, 5 rebounds, 2 assists. Alolino 13 points, 1 steal. Stephen Holt 12.7 assists. Detay 11 points, 13 rebounds. Gomez Diliano 11 points, 4 rebounds. Heto ang mga laro ng December 25, 2023 nagaganapin sa Smart Araneta Coliseum. Sa first game, maglalaban ng Phoenix Fuel Masters at San Miguel Bermen alas 4 ng hapon. Sa second game naman, magharap ang Barangay Hinebra at Tenti Trupang Giga alas 6:30 ng gabi. Heto ang team standings ngayon. Magnolia Hotshots 9 wins, 1 loss. Phoenix Fuel Masters 7 wins, 1 loss. Meralco Bolts 6 wins, 2 losses. San Miguel Bermen 5 wins, 3 losses. Barangay Hinebra 5 wins, 3 losses. Northport Batang Pair 5 wins, 4 losses. Tenti Trupang Giga 4 wins, 4 losses. Rain or Shine Elasto Painters 4 wins, 5 losses. Inlex Road Warriors 3 wins, 6 losses. Terra Firma Jeep 2 wins, 7 losses. Blackwater Bossing 1 win, 8 losses. Converge Fiber Sixers 1 win, 8 losses. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.